Hello students, in the previous videos we have discussed about all the nutrients that must be present in our food, and if they all are in a right proportion then they are called a balanced diet. Do you know why do we need to eat a balanced diet? Because it provides us growth and development. Suppose any nutrient is missing or in a less amount, so it can cause a disease, and these diseases are called deficiency diseases. So in this video we have to learn about the deficiency diseases. There are different kinds of deficiency diseases caused by different nutrients deficiency. So I would like to read the definition of deficiency diseases, that is diseases that are caused due to the lack of nutrients. They could be anything like carbohydrate, fat, protein, mineral or vitamin in our diet over a long period of time are called deficiency diseases. So let's talk about the first deficiency disease, that is protein deficiency disease, and the name for that is Kwashiorkor. That is Kwashiorkor. Repeat it with me, that is Kwashiorkor. In this disease, a person who is suffering from, his legs become thinner and bony, and that person will suffer from a protruding belly. His hair will become reddish, eyes will be bulgy. So if a child does not get enough protein in his diet for a long time, he is likely to suffer from a severe malnutrition, and that disease is called Kwashiorkor. So the disease is common among children of 1 to 5 years of age. See, here you can see that picture. In this picture, this child is suffering from a protein deficiency disease, that is Kwashiorkor. See, his legs are very thin, here you can see, and they are bony. His tummy is protruding and here are reddish in color, and see the eyes, they are so bulgy. So what are the symptoms for protein deficiency disease for Kwashiorkor? I have explained. Now let's talk about protein, carbohydrate and fat deficiency disease. That means 1, 2 and 3, they all are together missing from the diet, and that disease is called marasmus. So in this disease, proteins, carbohydrates and fats, they are not present, and they will lead to a disease that is called marasmus. It affects generally infants. Who are the infants? From 0 month or 0 day to 1 year child. Here are the symptoms. Here you can see this picture. See, this boy's body becomes so thin, you can count the rib cage. See how thinner body he is having, and he becomes so weak. His eyes are sunken inside, and this body is underweight. So you can see this disease is called marasmus. Here it is written marasmus. So today we have discussed about two diseases. One is Kwashiorkor, that is the deficiency disease of protein, and here is marasmus, that is lack of protein, carbohydrates and fats. So we will discuss another diseases in the next video. Thank you.